Hi guys, welcome back to a very exciting video. Today we are staying at the Grand Floridian. We found a really great deal on this. It's only one night, but we found a really great deal and we just wanted to show you. So we're here, we're staying at the Grand Floridian. Like I said, we want to do a room tour for you guys. So let's go ahead and get into it. So when you walk in, the first thing you see is this beautiful photo. Wow, it's a print, and then you go straight in. To your right, you have a door if you are conjoining rooms. And then if you turn to your left, you have the bathroom. So when you walk in, you have your toilet with some towels, toilet paper, the normal, pretty nice tile floor. And then you have this huge sink vanity, which is very nice. Tissues, extra towels, the sink with H2O products. I was going for an Indiana Jones look, so that's what I'm wearing. Anyways, this huge mirror, it's literally massive. Light, another towel, and then you come to the tub. It has a shower curtain. Here are your shower heads. There's a lot of options if you need assistance, like to help grab one while you're getting a bath or a shower. Here's the H2O products. And then when you come out of the bathroom, you keep walking and you have this kitchenette. So it has a fridge and has a microwave. Here is our map. This is our room key, because we have our magic band, but it's buried in luggage. You have a little microwave. And then you have some cabinets with a fire extinguisher. Nothing in those. But it's nice that they have the option. And then you have a toaster and a Keurig, which is really nice. And you have a bunch of Walt Disney World coffees as well as decaf. They're Joffrey's, obviously. You have some creamer, English breakfast, black tea, green tea, some sugars. And then you have a cabinet down here, which has soap, towels, a scrubby thing, and a washcloth. Up here you have just an empty drawer. This doesn't open, right? Nope. And then you have your sink, as well as some dish soap and some towels. And up here you have another cabinet with some utilities that you can use, like corkscrew opener, papers and plates, cups, coffee mugs, and then it looks like an ice bucket. And then you keep coming this way. Zachary's laying on the bed. One bed, there's another one right there. And you have the closet. So in here you have extra toilet paper and tissues, extra pillows and blankets, some coat hangers, as well as a safe. And then you have a place to put your luggage, and some more towels and a iron if you need to iron out your stuff. And then, like I said, Zachary's sleeping on the bed, or he's sitting on the bed. And he has some Mary Poppins artwork, as well as two lights up there. Come this way, you have the TV with our name on it, our last name, and this huge dresser. It's massive. Oh wait, this is a bed. Well, what is that? Is that a bed too? Oh. Oh, I can't take it. And here's Dumbo. I don't know how well you guys can see that. It was blown out. And then up here you have some little drawers. That's fine with me. And then you have our name, like I said. You turn this way and you have a sofa. This pulls out as well as into a bed. Zachary, you want to help? Ooh. Easy does it. Should we move that coffee table? Okay, well then we'll just take a look. So here's another bed. This is probably where I'll be sleeping, or over there on the Dumbo. I kind of want to sleep on the Dumbo. And this is some Mary Poppins artwork as well. It's
might be Captain Hook because there's a pirate ship in the back. I mean, it's probably Peter Pan.
Yeah, but there's a chimney sweep too.
No, there's a boat there. It's probably just London in general. Because there's a Mary Poppins bag, but there's a boat up there.
Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, here's a debate for everybody in the comment section. Is this Mary Poppins or is this just London in general? And so you also have two little stands right here, as well as a dining table and a mirror and a lamp. And then you come to the view. Our view isn't spectacular, but it's not horrible either. Fun fact, when we were last on the monorail, I looked over while we were on there. I'm like, oh, this is a cute little area to stay in. And what do you know? This is where we're staying. So, and this whole deck is ours. So, and this room tour. I cannot believe we're staying here. We're also going to be vlogging, so stay tuned for those. We're going to eat first, and then we're probably going to go swim or, you know, just take advantage of being at the Grand Floridian.